Since the EPA has recently suggested that exposure to indoor air pollution may pose a greater risk to your health than outdoor air pollution, you've made a wise choice to have your air system cleaned. A proper air system cleaning must not only include cleaning the air ducts, but also the furnace or air handler. The air handler or furnace is the heart of the system because it's responsible for collecting, filtering, and distributing the air to all parts of your home. If your air handler is dirty, it won't matter how clean your air ducts are, because as soon as you turn on the air conditioner or furnace, that dirty air will end up back in your ducts and in your home. A common question we get is, how will you clean my air system? First, we clean the air handler by vacuuming the inside of the unit and the blower. We also clean the coils with an effective coil cleaning agent. This will help increase the life of your air handler, make it operate more efficiently, and may even help reduce your energy bills. Second, we'll remove and thoroughly clean all registers and grills. Third, we use powerful HEPA-filtered air duct cleaning equipment to remove the debris from your air ducts. Our proprietary equipment will reach into each air duct, ensuring all debris is removed, and ends up in our HEPA-filtered machine and not in your home. Lastly, to ensure your air system is clean and fresh, we'll spray a deodorizer, disinfectant, and soot sealer into your air ducts. Now that you'll have a clean air system, it only makes sense to keep it that way by installing a high-efficiency permanent electrostatic air filter. These filters trap about 10 times more dust and particles than the average disposable filter, and best of all, they're reusable. Just rinse off every month and reinstall. No more buying disposable filters. They also come with a lifetime warranty. You'll also want to consider having your dryer vent cleaned. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission recommends regular cleaning of your dryer vent by a qualified technician to help prevent dryer fires and increase the life of your dryer. Be sure to ask about our current specials and discounts. Thank you for choosing Air Care, celebrating over 30 years in business in the Las Vegas Valley.